In this video, I want to set up some triggers so that we can start kicking the enemies. And just like the hand, here's a left hand, we're going to have the same components for the feet. So here is the left foot. And I'm going to create a capsule collider. It's going to have a rigid body. And we're going to set up the collider to fit the foot. Okay, that looks about right. I think the collider for the leg is a little too big. Correct it a little bit. Okay, I think it looks good enough. And I want the same thing for the other side. First, I want to copy the capsule collider from the left leg. Copy component. Paste component values for the right leg and left foot capsule collider. Same with the right foot. And add the rigid body. I also want the joint, so I'm gonna copy the character joint from the above body part, paste it in there, and drag in the connected body. So right leg for the right foot, and left leg for the left foot. Okay. And we also want the trigger detector for both feet. General body part, leg. Same thing with the right foot. Add the trigger detector, and the general body part is leg. So things look fine. I'm gonna click apply all, and because we're using a prefab variant for our enemies, they should have the same things. I'm gonna go back to the character and click on set up Ragdoll parts and make sure that they're all in there. Left foot and right foot. Same thing with the enemy. First, let me just click play and make sure that the ragdoll is not affected, and it's working fine. So now that we have the triggers ready, in the next video I'm going to set up the attack register for the flying kick. I'll see you next time.